Bra. Hi, I'm going to show you how to mount this 3D text on a table. Take a ruler, place the ruler, and see where you want to place the logo. And you start by peeling off the back paper on this section. So you just slowly remove it so all the letters are on this sticky paper. And when you've done that, you have something like this, and you see a large T here, and that's going to guide you how you're going to put the 3D section. So you take this and you mount it slowly on the table, and you attach it like this. Press it as hard as possible, and then you can remove this sticky paper, which is then called an application paper. And when you remove it, you see that you have the vinyl on the surface. And don't do as me, do it slowly. And when you've done that, the large T is going to guide you where this section is going to be. So you just place this on top of the large T. And if you find it being harder to see the T, you can do as best as you can and just make sure that with the help of the ruler it's straight. And then you start by adding the big section. You press this, and if you don't want to do it, you can use the other type of tape to mount it, fix it on the table. And then you place the larger section, and this is going to help you to be able to remove this and remove the T. Otherwise, you can let the T be because it's going to be covered by all the other letters, including the T. And you just remove the back paper on each one of them and place them inside. And when you have pressed each one of them, you just remove this, and then you have a 3D letter on the and a foil section on the table. Good luck!